It's really thin, so you can do so much fun with this. You can do this in cap when if you are using a gel polish. It's great to do this one. One keep up all the way is the white one. It has a darker blue, lighter blue. Let me see it go on. Blue would stand out really good. I love it to using this one as well because I can't kind of layer them. Well, what some little can you get a scoop one? Yeah, got the real scoop. There you go. You can see the baby ones better. I think I'm good. Yeah, keep doing it more. It's just so busy. But I really like that. I like a lot more. You can adjust anything you wanted first before you cure, so that way you make sure you're happy with what you put it on. And this is a great way for a lot of you who doing like acrylic, but then you're doing using a gel system. You instead of color acrylic, looks different, looks good though, and you can apply exactly what I sharing it with you. Okay, cure for 60 seconds. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, Light Brass. And Shanisha, thank you. I'm gonna pull it back in because sometimes the little one is always on the waist and the bottom. So make sure I got the bigger size and the smaller size to kind of combine them together. Can you get me the gel painting white there? That's a weak gel. I need gel painting the white. Do you want to see more stickers? What? Dragon scale. Oh, a chamfer foil. Oh my god, I have so many I need to share with you. I want to share with you. What about chamfer foil and neon pigment? Okay. So I'm gonna using condensed glue gels again, everyone. Good amount of it. And I'm gonna apply it right, capped right on the top of all the glitter. And make sure I cap completely them, and then this will really stunning because if I with my strokes I apply it on, it will blend. It's go right in to all the edges, so it will actually even and cap them really nicely. Don't forget to apply no white top coat on the top. Do you want to leave it alone like this? No white top coat? We can leave it alone, or we can put some crystal, but I think it's gonna be good with just leave it alone. Floating on the top. If you don't want any crystals, then it's gonna be ready to here under the LED lights. I'm gonna wipe it off to keep the shape, nice shape of the nails. It looks really nice. Actually, I really love the way it's in cap like that. It's so super transparent, clear, and it looks like a 3-dimension. You gotta see it closer to yourself. Let me put it. Stunning.